I like all of these today. Yes! Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. My name's Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. Today's video is one of my favorite videos to film, and that is my SipsBy tea box unboxing. If you don't know what SipsBy is, it is a monthly subscription box where you get 4 new kinds of tea every single month for $15. I am happy to say that they are kind enough to send this box to me so I can review it, see what I like, see what I don't like, that kind of thing. And they give me a code, so I'm going to put it on the screen here, and I have it down in the description box if you're interested in trying this amazing tea box. Last month's was amazing. I literally loved every single tea and drank all of every single tea that I got. So I can't wait to see what's in this month's box. September is prime tea month as we're just getting into fall, so I'm excited to get into this. And look how cute the box is too. Like, honestly. Alright you guys, without me rambling any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and let's get into this month's box. So the one thing I really love about this box is that it's customized to you, and you can see that here on the card. So on the front it says September teas, and then on the back it tells you exactly what teas you've gotten, and it says made for Megan. So it's exactly made for you. You take a custom tea quiz. It helps you pick out the teas that you like best and what you're open to trying, and then they send you a bunch of awesome stuff. And then also in every box, if you choose to get loose leaf teas, they give you some disposable bags. I literally have so many of these now just from my last month's box plus this box, so we are good to start going here. Alright you guys, so inside the box under the card, this is what it looks like. It shows me all of the teas I got, and I'm just gonna briefly go through them with you guys before I start brewing them and get to trying out these teas. And honestly, I feel like I need tea right now because my throat is super dry. So the first one that I got in the box is this one right here. This is an Earl Grey tea by Storehouse tea, and they are pre-packaged, so I don't need to put them into the little bags or anything like that. But this one has medium caffeine, and it's just a classic British black tea, which is actually some of my favorite tea to drink. I have Earl Grey tea before I go to work every single day. And then also on this card, it gives you percentages off just for each company. I will list all this information and everything in the box below. Next up, we have Fruit Punch by Chic Shimaya. This is what it looks like. It is a nice loose leaf tea. Everyone loves fruit punch. You can actually drink this cold or hot. I'm going to drink it hot today because, you know, I love hot tea. But maybe someday I will try this as an iced tea. Next up, we have got these really nice little packets here. These are the Motion Matcha Premium Japanese Matcha Green Tea Powder. There's no added sugar in these, and this is what they look like. They're obviously by Motion Matcha, medium caffeine. And finally, the last one in here for this month is Berry Extreme by SABROSO Chai. This is a high caffeine tea, and I already know that I'm gonna like it. I like berry teas, I like fruity teas. I found that out last month when I tried out a bunch of them. So I'm excited to brew all of these up and let you know what I think. Okay, so this one, the Fruit Punch, actually steeps for about 8 minutes, so that's a really long steep time compared to what I normally see with teas, which is about 4 to 5 minutes. But the matcha one here doesn't have any steep time at all. It's just a mix in with your water. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that first while the rest of these are steeping, and then we'll go ahead and try those ones. So I've got my matcha one in this rose cup here. It's honestly doesn't smell great. I'm not the biggest fan of matcha, so it'll be interesting to see if I actually like this one. But we're definitely gonna give it a try. It's full on green, like the color you picture when you think green, that's what it looks like. So not very pleasing to the eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a try and see if I like this one. This smells not awful. Oh, actually, it doesn't taste too bad. It's displeasing to look at, but it actually tastes really good. It's just like, it doesn't have a whole lot of flavor to it. It's just slightly sweet, which is actually really, really nice. So I like that one. Okay, you guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and try this one here first. This is the berry extreme one, and this actually has gyoza and spices in it as well. So it's supposed to help fight any like throat bugs or anything like that. So I am actually kind of starting a little bug here, so let's hope that it does something for me. I'll list their Instagram and their email and stuff below if you guys are interested in this one. It smells really spicy, like it smells like fall. It smells like a little bit like nutmeg, like anything you think when you are thinking pumpkin spice, that's what it smells like, minus the pumpkin. Reminds me of a candle. Oh, I don't know if, it's not bad. It's definitely not bad. Also, do you guys like my new mug? This is my mug of the month. I'll have a new mug of the month every month. I just said the word month several times. It's not bad, honestly. It doesn't have a whole lot of flavor. Like, I can't taste the spices a whole lot. So I think that's generally helpful because I don't like a whole lot of spice. But yeah, this isn't bad. I'm so shocked. I'm always so shocked by these teas because I don't think I'm gonna like them, and then I do like them, just like a lot. So, alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try that Earl Grey tea. Love Earl Grey. It's in my Dorm Suite Dorm mug. Smells like a normal Earl Grey. Tastes like a normal Earl Grey. Normally I'll add a little bit of skim milk to this and maybe a sugar or two, and that's just generally how I like it. But this one is actually pretty nice, just plain. Like, I don't feel the need. Some Earl Greys I feel the need that I need to add something to it, but this one is great on its own. And they had a really high quality tea bags too, which I was a fan of. So this one is by, who's this by? Who's this by? Storehouse tea. Yeah, I said it earlier, but this is a great one. Yeah, heck yeah, medium caffeine. Yeah, cool. I like this one a lot. I definitely would recommend this one. So I think my fruit punch one is probably done here. I let it go that full 8 minutes, so I'm going to try this out. This one is just a really, really pretty color. I can't even show you guys because I'm going to tip the mug, but it's a really, really pretty deep, like, purple shade, and it's so cute. So let's try it out. Okay. It's good. Like, I like this one too. I like all of these today. Yes! That's the best thing when you get all teas that you like. Like, there's no loser here. Well, I mean, there is a loser, and it's just based on appearance. Ooh, that was a little strong. So if you came to this channel for thinking like, oh, I'm gonna give you notes on the tea, like I know exactly what's happening in them. No, I just sit here and I taste them and I see if I like them, and then I tell you if I do. It really packs, oh, it packs a punch. Like, every time I take a sip of it, it's just getting more and more intense, and I kind of like that. This is definitely a punch, not a punch, but a tea that is one, maybe that's why it's called fruit punch, because it like punches you in the face. This is not a tea that I would drink on like an everyday type basis, but if I wanted something that gave me a little bit more of like a wake up and like a little bit more energy, this is definitely what I would go to, because I can already tell that it's like really waking me up, even like waking up my sinuses. So that's cool too. All right, you guys, I've tried all of the teas and now I'm going to rank them for you. Number one is my Earl Grey. Of course, Earl Grey is my favorite kind of tea anyways, so are we really that shocked that I picked Earl Grey as the winner? No, we're not. Second is the Berry Extreme, and this is the one that helps with colds. It makes my throat feel really, really good. It's not an overpowering taste or scent at all. It's got a little bit of spice to it that's going to help clear out the throat, so this one is really nice. Third, we have the Fruit Punch Tea, which will literally punch you in the face with the amount of tart that it is. So keep that in mind if you're into that kind of tea. And in last place is the Matcha Green Tea Twirl-In Packets, or the Swirl-In Packets. It tastes just fine. It's not something that I'm overly fond of with the scent. It did make me like, you know, do that thing that you don't want to do when you're drinking tea. But yeah, so that is my overall rank for this month. I am really happy with all the teas I was sent once again. SipsBy does an amazing job getting you teas that they think you'll like, and generally I end up liking all the teas too, so that's nice. And it's about 15 cups that they send you to, so you're good on tea. If you don't drink it very much, you're good for the whole month. I drink it every single day, so it's a nice addition to my Earl Grey kind of routine that I'm in. But other than that, I don't have much else for you guys. I love trying this tea, so let me know in the comment section down below if you guys like this type of video. I'm definitely going to keep doing them, even if you don't like them, because I like them. So anyways, that's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching once again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.